Hello my crafty friends, this is Trina here. Just wanted to do a quick share of a journal that I made for a friend. Been wanting to get this sent out, but was having problems with my phone last week, so hopefully this time around it works. This is a 3-signature little journal. I made the cover out of chipboard, and this is canvas off of a stretched canvas frame. I used the inside as the cover. The white part of that canvas is on the inside of this. I have the stretchy lace cover, the closure I should say, and did a lot of stitching in this, and this is actually in honor of her mom. Her mom plays organ music in church, and so I did a lot of hymnals that I remember as a child growing up in church. And I hope she likes it as much as I enjoyed making it for her. And so I just want to do a quick little flip through so you can see the inside. Again, this is a musical theme. And the signatures, there's 3 of them, are made with white paper bag so that she has a place to tuck pictures and little mementos. And I did little tucks on the inside of the front and back cover. This is a little collage snippet that I made, and I got a couple little tags to put in there. And then inside each, not each pocket, but I tried to put a few pieces of ephemera in so that she could either use it in this book or she can take it out and put it in a different journal and put her own in. And I got a new set of rubber stamps that I got to play with. I don't know if you've all seen them. They're the Stampers Anonymous, Tim Holtz. These little beauties. Yeah, just what we need, a stamp with messy stitching. But it's actually super cute. I really like it. So I've got some coffee dyed paper, some not coffee dyed paper. These here are snippets that I made one weekend out at Paula's. I proceeded to come home and make a whole bunch more just for me because I love, look at this beautiful yumminess made with just odds and ends of snippet scraps and just a bunch of wild stitching. This is the piece that's left over from what I did here, and just odds and ends. I love that snippet. It's just definitely some good touch therapy there. Some washi tape. These here are the Tim Holtz photo booth mats, and I like them, but they're really glossy. So I took my little sanding block. Y'all have seen these little sanding blocks. You can usually get them at the dollar store or at the hardware store really cheap. And I just lightly go over these, and it kind of scratches up the surface and makes it not so glossy. Then I put coffee dyed paper on the back so she can write on it. And made some little flips. These here, I will link her website, but Wendy's Journal Adventure. She comes up with some of the coolest little ideas for ephemera. I call this ephemera because it's something that you're adding to your journal, but it's got a tag inside. This is made with 2 envelopes, just 2 letter envelopes. And as you can see, you can still see the blue on the inside. And then I just made 2 cards to go inside, but literally this just flips over the top of your page. And it's got enough weight that you really don't have to paper clip it. And it's just super cute. I just had to try it. I have some little safety pins with some little jewels on it, on some of the fabric tabs. Some more music paper, some coffee dyed index cards. I had a tablet of this that I wasn't sure what I was going to do with, so I actually thought, oh, that makes some really cute little flips. And some tags that I made. Did some stitching on those. And made these little Polaroids. Thought those were cute, and she can write on the back of those. This is a piece of 12 by 12 that I cut and did a half doily punch around the edge and just tucked it over a page. And it literally just hangs over the page. I have a little pocket here that has tag and a couple tags there. I still have to put some seam binding on it. I have a piece of paper that has clocks on it, and I hate wasting the clocks on the edge of the page. So each one of these pockets got a clock that I just thought it was cute just to be able to use it up. This is the inside of the back page of the signature. Again, another hymnal and picture of somebody playing the piano. And again, I chose songs that I remember growing up singing in church. And some more pieces of ephemera. I thought this was kind of cute. Giggle Water. How to make homemade mixed drinks, cordials, wines, etc. And index card. And again, she can take those out and put them in a different journal if she wants. Love the clock. And again, each signature is kind of similar, but it was fun to make just the same. And again, I did some tags, I did some stitching around it and different fabrics on the tabs. Some more hymnal music, another flip, and another one of my little Polaroids. Here's another one of those clocks. It's on the edge of a page, and it's like, I could still use that. It's still going to be cute on the pocket. I think she's cute. Another piece of ephemera that I stitched around. Tried to make it kind of vintagey. I love this picture. This is so sweet. And again, you've already seen the index cards in the little tablets. Another piece of ephemera. But I try to keep it simple because I wanted her to be able to make it her own. Create memories from their family that she could share with her mom and have as a keepsake. But I just wanted to do a quick video so that y'all could see it before I send it off. I've been wanting to get this out in the mail, so I'm going to get this out tomorrow. And I'll probably post my video after she receives it. Another one of the Polaroids that I made. Some more of the snippet tabs. And another one of the little pockets. Here's another one of the clocks that took off the edge of a page. And I love this piece too. 5-cent fairy soap. And then the back has another one of my snippet collages. And this is just some papers that I had and just layering things. And then I have a new toy. It's a little mini envelope maker from We Are Memory Keepers. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? That makes little tiny envelopes, and then I did a little tiny card to put inside. Some of the Tim Holtz people. And if y'all want to know how to make the snippets, Paula Lemon, she's my cousin, she has a really awesome video that tells you how to do this, or how she does it. Definitely have to check her out. I'll link her in the message box below. And this little journal, she ended up being a 5 by 7.5. She's got a 1-inch spine. I spray dyed these little flowers. I thought they were cute. And then the word memories on the front. And she can embellish as she sees fit, but she's already a little chunky monk. But I absolutely love the way she turned out. And just wanted to share. So hope you're all having a great weekend. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.